Good evening, guys. Am I audible to you? Good evening, all. Yes, guys. Let's move to today's session. Okay? Yeah. Before moving to today's program, today we will learn about prime number program, guys. Today we learn how to write prime number program and how to find factorial of a number. These two programs we are going to learn in this session. Okay? Before moving these programs, let me give you a quick recap on yesterday's topic. Are you guys clear with do while loop? Are you guys clear with do while? Any doubts in do while? Yesterday I have given a problem, right? If my input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the sum is 15, but I need the sum of this. I need the output in single digits, right? This is my requirement. This is my requirement. Am I correct? I need the sum in a single digit. If I get sum in two digits, I need to perform it again and I want in a single digit. Am I correct? This is my question. For this, I will write a program. See here. First, I am taking while loop. Okay. While n is not equal to 0. Here I am writing. Assume that here I am defining int sum equal to 0. Now I am writing sum equal to sum plus n modular division 10. You guys already know how to take last digit from the given number. Whenever we use modular division 10, it will give you the last digit of the given number. Am I correct? My input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whenever I do modular division, it will give you the last digit. Okay, this is my last digit. N percentage 10 means I will get the last digit of the given number. I will add it to the sum. After adding, I will delete it. N equal to n divided by 10. After this, I will check. I will assign. After completing, I will print the sum. Okay, I will print sum. For just my understanding, I will print sum. After printing, for n, I will assign sum, and for sum, I will assign 0. After coming out of the do loop, assume guys, observe clearly whatever I have written in blue color. this all R becomes to do loop only. Whatever I have written in green color, it is becomes to assume. Wait. I will let clearly, guys. Wait, give me a minute. I will take different colors and I will explain you. Int sum equal to 0. After that, I am performing do. This is my do loop. Here, one condition I will write. Inside do, I am writing while. Okay, while n is not equal to 0, perform while loop. My while loop will do sum equal to sum plus n modular division 10. It will give you the last digit. After taking last digit, I will delete that last digit. Okay, this is my while loop. My while loop is completed, guys. Now see, there is some more points we need to write in do loop, guys. Before checking the condition, we need to mention some points. For understanding, I am printing what is a sum here. I will print sum here. After printing, I will assign sum to n. I am giving some value to n. Okay. After giving sum to n, I will assign sum equal to 0. For next iteration, whenever I am performing, at that time, sum should start from 0. So I am giving sum equal to 0. After that, I am checking my condition, guys. Is n is greater than 9. Whenever n is greater than 9, because here my n contains the original sum value. Sum contains 0. So I am checking the condition for n only. This statement, observe, guys. For n, I am checking. If n is greater than 0, why only 9, sir? Why greater than 9 means every two-digit number will start from 10. Am I correct? A two-digit number will start from 10. So, whatever the single-digit number, it should be less than 10. So, I am giving when it is true, when the sum is greater than 9, at the time, perform the operation again. Come here and again perform. Now, my n contains 15. N equal to 15, sum equal to again 0, perform the same operation. 5 plus 1, 6, the output is 6. Okay, let me show you this program. Yeah, here I won't print n directly. Here I will print sum. Okay, so this code is yesterday I have written same code. I am not modifying anything. I am just adding print statement before for your understanding. It is just for your understanding. Okay, don't get confused. Every time I am printing some value. After printing, I am giving some value to n and some to 0. Let me save it. After saving, I will compile this program. My compilation is done successful, guys. There is no error in my compilation. After that, I am executing it. Think Sorry guys, let me check my compile. For another sessions, I just modified my Java version, so I'm checking. Is it working? Then what is the problem? For this program, it is working. Java. Sorry guys, my program is sum of digits. Sorry, I entered wrong class name. Okay. See guys, am I getting correct answer? My input is 56789. The sum of 56789 is 35. The sum of 35 is 8. Okay. For entering 12 digits, it is not possible by int guys. You know all data types, right? Your data types is completed. Data types class is completed. What are the possible data types? 8 primitive data types. Byte, short, int, long. You know what is the size of it also. For storing a long number more than 9 digits or 10 digits, you need to use long, okay? For taking a larger number, you need to use long input, okay? Long input as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At the end, we need to give L, okay? For entering 10 digits or more than 10 digits, we need to use long. Okay? Let's move to today's topic, guys. Today's our topic is prime number. Can you guys tell me what is a prime number? Can you guys tell me what is a prime number, guys? I'm getting only one answer. Yeah, okay, guys. Okay, okay. Cool. You know, right? A number, assume that my number is 7. Int n equal to 7. If 7, I need to check 7 is a prime or not. You guys already know what is a prime number. What is a prime number? It means the factor should be 1 and itself. 1 and itself. 1 and 7 should be the factors. Other than this, is there any factor? This is not a prime number. Okay? Then tell me what is mean by factor. Tell me guys, what is mean by factor? Can you please tell me what is mean by factor? Can I say like this? Whenever I divide, I will divide with one number, some numbers. Whenever I divide, if remainder is 0, if remainder is 0 means it is not a fact, it is a factor, right? If I get remainder as 0, then we say as factor. Am I correct? 1 and 7. 1 7 is 7. Remainder is 0. So 1 is a factor. I am saying 1 is a factor. Are you clear? Let me take another number. 6. 1 and 6 is a, for 6, 1 is one factor. I will do with one more operation. 2. 2 3 is 6. 0. 2 is a factor, right? If 2 is a factor, this will be reversed, right? These are also called factors. Am I correct? 3 2 is a 6. 3 is also factor. Am I correct? Whenever I get remainder 0, at the time we can say that it is a factor. If remainder is 0, it is called as factor. Am I correct? So for if it is a prime number means there should be no factors. Am I correct? Prime means one and itself. Itself should be the factors. Other than this, there should be no factors. Am I correct? Okay. Then observe how I build my logic for getting prime number. See guys. Okay. Now let me take my input is int n equal to something 7. It's my input guys. I need to check did 7 is a prime number or not. Okay. For this, I will write one. I will take one more variable guys. For checking factors or multiples, I will take one more variable called count. Okay. At first, I will initialize count equal to 0. This is my input. I need to check 7 is a prime number or not. For that, I am taking one support variable called count. Now see guys, I am writing one for loop. For getting factors means the factors will be in between 1 to 7, right? For this number, my factors will be between 1 to 7. So I will write my for loop as int I equal to I will place empty and I less than n. Okay. Sir, why sir you are keeping empty and why you are not giving equal to means what is the prime number condition guys? Prime means 1 and itself. These two are factors, right? I will skip these two factors. I will skip these two factors. Skipped. I will skip these iterations. Okay. I will skip one first iteration and I will skip seventh iteration. By skipping this, how many factors I should have guys? By skipping first number 1 and number 7, how many factors does my number have? If it is a prime number. Are you getting? I'm not asking about how many number of iterations. I'm asking about factors. Assume 7, my input is 7. I'm skipping 7th iteration and first iteration. That means both should be a factors. I'm skipping these factors. I'm excusing these factors. Now my factor should be 0. Other than 0, if I get 1 or 2 or anything, it is not a prime number. Am I correct? See here, my input is 7. For 7, factor should be 1 and 7. If the number and itself is a factors, other than this, no, there is no factors, then it is called prime number. Am I correct? Here, in my for loop, I am directly starting from 2 and I am ending for n. That means I am not considering 1 and that number. Am I correct? Here n is 7. Less than 7 means up to 6 the iterations will be done. Am I correct? Please follow, guys. 1 and the same number is a factor for prime number. I am checking this condition. I am skipping these two factors. Here observe. Otherwise, at first let's try with one only. Okay. You know that for prime number, factor should be 2. Only 2. 1 and that number. Am I correct? Int n equal to 7. Int factors equal to 0. I am checking. No. For int I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. Now I am dividing, guys. If n modular division I double equal to 0, factors plus plus. Here, guys, I am writing one condition. Whenever I do modular division, if it given remainder as 0, then we say as it is a factor. Assume 7 in first iteration I am doing with 1. 7, yeah, 7 is correct. Remainder is 0. So this condition is true. At that time, I am performing factors plus plus. Now my factors became 1. First iteration is completed. Okay. My for loop is also completed. Okay. Then check I plus plus. Now my I value is 2. Now my I value is 2. I am doing with 2. 2 7 the 2 3 are 6. 1 is remainder. So it is not a factor. Condition not satisfied. So factors is not incremented. My count contains only 1 for now iteration also. Then come and check the iterate once again. I plus plus. Now it is 3. 3 to the 6. Remainder 1. So it is not satisfied this condition. Condition is not satisfied. Am I correct? So this statement is not executed. Factors plus plus is not executed. My factors contain only one factor. Up to 7 it will do, guys. In 7th iteration, assume I am in now 7th iteration. Okay. Now currently I am in 7th iteration. This is my I value. This is my n value. This is the remainder. 7 1 just 7. Yeah. 7 is also a factor. Here condition is satisfied. remainder is 0. So I tell that factors plus plus. Now factors contains 1. It becomes 2. Okay. Please put concentration on this, guys. Is it simple logic? This is also not understanding means I can't help you. You should concentrate. You should think logically. I am asking what is prime number? For prime number, how many factors will be there? Two factors. Am I correct? For prime number, how many factors will be there? Two factors. At first, I am taking one number int n and I am taking factors also. At first, I don't know how many factors are there. For that, I will provide 0. For checking factors, I am doing one for loop. Int I equal to 1, I less than equal to that number. Up to that number only we can get factors, right? 8 is not a factor for 7. Am I correct? It is not a factor for 7. This is my for loop syntax, guys. If it is not understand means I can't help you. This is the previous class. How to write for loop, how to iterate, you guys know. You need to practice yourself. I can't tell you every line, okay? This is an online class, not a offline class. Please concentrate. By watching you this class and by watching TV, you can't get understood. Inside this, what is the condition for factors, guys? When we say factor, one number is a factor. When the remainder is 0, at that time we say it is a factor. When I get remainder 0, at the time only we say it is a factor. Am I correct? Up to this, everyone clear? Please tell me up to this, everyone clear. If it is not clear, tell me now only. I won't repeat it again. We have lot of topics to discuss. Whenever remainder is 0, if I get remainder is 0 at the time, we say it is a factor. In Java, how to get remainder? Now tell me, how to get remainder? How to get remainder in Java? Tell me, guys. Whenever we use modulus, I will get remainder, right? If remainder is 0, I will say it is a factor. Whenever remainder is 0, here I am comparing, see here, double equal to comparison operator. When this is 0, compare with 0. If it is 0, I say it is a factor. Factors plus plus. It means I am increasing a factor's value. At first, factors contain 0. If it is a factor, this condition will say it is a factor. At that time, I am incrementing my factor value, saying that there is one factor. After incrementing, I am performing the loop again. When I n percent I. In first iteration, I is 1. I am checking is 1 is a factor or not. Yes, 1 is a factor. Incremented. Again then I becomes 2. 2 is not a factor. So this operation is not executed because I am writing it in a if condition. You know how to write if condition, right? Whenever the condition is true, at that time only the if block is executed. Am I correct? This is last time I'm repeating, guys. Observe clearly. I'm taking one number, int number equal to 7, whatever you take. I'm checking the factors. At first, I'm assuming that there is no factors. Factors is 0. After that, I'm writing my program logic. For finding factors, I'm writing one if condition. Int I equal to 1. I less than equal to number I plus plus. This loop will iterate from 1 to 7. You know, right? How to write for loop. After that, I am taking one if condition. Whenever if condition satisfied, I am incrementing factors, saying that there is a factor. If this condition is satisfied, whatever the condition I have written here, if it is satisfied, it means the number is a factor. So I need to increase this value. Initially, I assume that there is no factors, but I got one factor here. When I got a factor here, I will increase the factors value from 0 to 1. Yeah, for my number, sorry guys, I got one factor. How to check factors? Number, percentage division, for which I need to divide. For which number I need to check it is a factor or not. I am checking from 1 to 7. So I am writing I. In every iteration, I will be incremented. In first iteration, first step, I equal to 1 at that time. Yes, it is a factor. Factors plus plus. First iteration is completed. Second iteration, I equal to 2. It is not a factor. So, if condition is not executed. Next, third iteration, I equal to 3. It is not a factor. This will say it is a factor or not. This condition will say is it is a factor or not. It is also not a factor. This is also skipped. After that, fourth iteration, I equal to 4. It is not a factor. So, it is also skipped. Fifth iteration, I equal to 5. It is also not a factor. Skipped. Sixth iteration, I equal to 6. Is 6 is a factor of 7? No. In this condition also skipped. Finally, the last iteration, seventh iteration, I equal to 7. Tell me, is 7 is a factor of 7 or not? 7 is a factor or not? Yes. So, factors incremented. In first iteration, if you see, sorry for the expense, guys. Give me a minute. In first iteration, when I equal to 1, it is a factor. So, I am incrementing factors. And in seventh iteration, I equal to 7. 7 is a factor. So, I am incrementing factors. In finally, after completion of our loop, factors contain 2. It means how many factors for that number is indicated by this variable. Am I correct? Factors variable will indicate us that how many factors for the given number. For 7, there is 2 factors. Am I correct? It is not telling 1 and 7. It is just telling how many factors. For 7, there is 2 factors it is telling. Is it clear? Now understood? Up to this everyone clear? Yeah. See here. I will write neatly here. Int I equal to 1. I less than equal to n or num whatever you take. That's your choice. If n percentage I double equal to 0. Factors plus plus. For loop is ended here guys. For loop is started here. For loop ended here. After that I am checking. For prime number, what is the maximum number of factors guys? For prime numbers, what is the maximum number of factors will be there? How many number of factors will be there for prime number? 2, right? So here I am checking. If factors equal to 2, if factors are 2, then tell that it is a prime number. Otherwise, else tell that not a prime number. Okay, clear? Understood the program? Can I execute it now? Can I execute it now? Clear, right? This much slow means you can't learn all programs, guys. I will skip some programs. Okay. If you are this much slow, you are not practicing means in a day I can tell only one program. So here I am taking a Java file. My class name is Prime. I am taking scanner import. After that, I am asking the user to enter a number. I am asking to user enter a number and then I am storing it in num. For factors, I am taking a variable called fact. I am simplifying it just for this fact variable will tell us how many factors are there for the given number. Okay. After that, I am writing a for loop for finding factors. This condition will say that if it is is a factor or not. If the remainder is 0, then we say it is a factor. Okay. For that, now I am incrementing. If it is a factor, I am incrementing the fact variable. Here my for loop is ending. After that, I am checking my prime number logic. If there is only two factors, then say that else I am saying that This is my program, guys. I am checking how many factors are there. If there are two factors, I am saying that it is a prime number. If other than this, I will say not a prime number. Okay. This is my whole logic. And I will tell you some logics, guys, here. If you are writing only single statement after a if condition, it is not mandated to give open and close braces, guys. Okay. Whenever you are writing only single statement, in this if condition, I am writing only single statement. So I am removing braces for decreasing number of lines. Okay. There is a possibility to remove braces whenever there is only single condition, single statement, guys. Here in this if condition, I am performing only single statement. In else part also, I am performing only single statement. So I am writing directly. I am not using curly braces. Okay. Let me execute it. It is asking, guys. Now I will check is 4 is a prime number or not. Did 4 is a prime number? Did 4 is a prime number? Is 4 is a prime number? No. See, my program is also telling that it is not a prime number. Okay. I will execute one more time. I will check one prime number. 7. 7 is a prime number. Okay. I will check one more time. 11 is a prime number. Is my program working perfectly? Yeah. Now you guys can copy this. I will give you time to copy this. After this, we will move for factorial program. Okay. Just learn how to write a program for prime number, guys. After completing, I will tell you. I said be patient. I will tell all the programs, right? Be patient. Now you are just learning how to check prime number or not. You guys can think. Iterate from 1 to 50 by using for loop. Okay. You know how to iterate from 1 to 10. In case of here providing directly a number, give it a number from for loop. That's it. Use another for loop for providing number also. Start from 1 to 10, 1 to 50. That's it. It's a range, right? Here don't print it is a prime. Print directly that number. Whatever the number you are giving, print that number. That's it. Now, I think everyone copied. Now let me tell you. Perfect number. Can you guys tell me what is a perfect number? Go and search in Google if you don't know also. Search and tell me what is a perfect number. Without knowing what is a perfect number, I can't teach you. Not only me, no one can't teach you. Tell me what is a perfect number. Which number we say perfect? Perfect. Don't copy paste, guys. Whatever the Google give, don't copy paste. Understand what is a perfect number. See, perfect number means you know how to find factors, right? You know how to find factors. Am I correct? You know how to write factors. How to find factors. Am I correct? Can you tell me how to find factors? By dividing modular division I. If it is 0, then we say it is a factor. Am I correct? Perfect number means sum of factors except that number. Sorry. Except that number. Equal to that number. Equal to given number. Otherwise, I will type only. You can take snap also. Is this statement understand, guys? Is it understandable? Sum of factors of that number except that number means what is mean by this? Assume I'm taking 6. Okay. What is the factors of 6, guys? 1, 6, 2, 3. Except this, don't add this number. Add remaining all this 1 plus 2 plus 3. If it is equal to the sum of these numbers is equal to 6, then we say 6 is a perfect number. Okay, not only 6. Let's take just assume that I'm taking 8. Okay, factors of 8 1, 8 and 2, 4. You need to accept this, skip this number, add all this 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. If this is equal to this, then we say perfect number, but it is not a perfect number. Okay, understood? Are you guys clear with perfect number? What is perfect? You guys are no right? Which number we say perfect? Let's write logic for it. Okay, same program, just I will modify some things. Just same program like as prime number. See here, I will take same int number equal to 6, int in place of factors I am taking sum. Okay, sum equal to 0 for loop. For finding factors I am writing for loop. Okay, I equal to 1, I less than 6, because I need to skip the 6, right? I should not add 6, so I am taking before 6 only. My iteration will stop for fifth iteration only. It won't go for 6 iterations. If I write equal to, then it will go for 6 also. Here I am not writing 6 equal to 6. I am directly giving less than 6. I am writing less than num. Okay. If I write equal to here, it will calculate that iteration also. But we should not add the that number, right? We should skip that number because perfect number is except that number. So I am skipping that iteration directly. I plus plus. After that I am writing if condition, if number percentage I double equal to 0. It will say it is a factor or not. If it is a factor, I will add it to sum. Sum equal to sum plus I. Okay. Every time if it is a factor, I am adding it to sum. If it is a factor, I am adding it to sum. After this completion, I will check if it is a perfect number or not. Perfect number means sum equal to number. If both are equal, sum and number, we say perfect number. Same logic, guys. Sum double equal to number, I say perfect. Else, I will say not perfect. Okay. Is it okay for you? Understood? Any doubt in this, guys? Perfect number. Any doubt? If it is clear means I will execute this program. After executing, I will provide you the attendance link. Yeah, I will execute this program. See, I will copy this same program, guys, because I need to write same program, right? I will just copy this program. In place of fact, I am taking sum. Here I am adding sum equal to sum plus I. In this condition, I am checking if sum double equal to number, given number, then it is a is my program correct, guys? You guys can check now. Here in this condition, I am checking if it is a factor or not. If once it is a factor, I am adding it to the sum. After adding, I am checking if sum and the given number is per equal, then I say it is a perfect number. Let me execute this program. See guys, it is saying 6 is not a perfect number. Why it is saying 6 is not a perfect number? Can you guys tell me? Here I forgot it to remove this. Now check. Compile once again. 6 is a perfect number. Am I correct? Will you guys check for remaining inputs? Yeah, I know that's a perfect number. I am checking for you guys. Will you say or not? Here I am writing equal to symbol. Check for different inputs. You you guys can take a screenshot of it and you guys can do execute now only. I will create your attendance link and I will post it in your chat box. Okay. Guys, your attendance link is in your chat box. Yes, sorry, sorry. I have provided yesterday's link. Yeah. Now you guys can see that link is modified. Please go and update your chart. Please provide your attendance, guys. Okay. Is it done, guys? Attendance done. In live, there are only 180 members, but in attendance, they are filling 322 people. Now I am going to end the attendance, guys. You guys are making fun with attendance, right? I'm stopping the attendance link, guys. Attendance accepted is stopped because you guys are only 180 200 members. Total our viewers is 180 members, but attendance is 350 members. How it is possible? Okay, perfect number program done. Is it done, guys? If you are only coming for attendance, just give attendance and go. By the end of the sessions, we have some terms and conditions, right? We will take mark based on your mark only. You will get certificate. Only attendance is not required. Knowledge is also important for getting certificate. Without mark rating, you won't get certificate also. Okay. Attendance should be more than 75% and mark rating should also be there. A good mark rating. Okay. 1 minute, bro. Guys, one small update. Tomorrow we have a session with interactive session with the company CEO. Okay. tomorrow by 6:30 a.m. 6:30 p.m. Tomorrow by 6:30 p.m. we have an interaction session with CEO of the Avanto. Okay, in Google Meet. Okay, link will be provided in your WhatsApp groups by the time of the meeting. Link will be provided in the groups itself. Okay. Soft skills card regarding will be informed by your HRs. HRs are maintaining that WhatsApp groups. So our HRs will contact you. If there is an update, they will post you in WhatsApp group. Okay. Tomorrow, note this. Tomorrow by 6:30, we have a meet with CEO of the Avanto. Okay. You guys don't spam in chat box. I tell that attendance link is stopped because you guys are only 212 maximum. But in attendance, I got 350 responses. I only stopped the attendance link. There is no attendance link for today. Okay. You guys are attending only 212 members. You can sit live chat. How many are in live? How many are watching? Around 250 people are watching. But in attendance, I am getting 350, 450 people. So I am not interested to talk about attendance. See guys, I am getting a call from the CEO just now. You guys are just filling the attendance, not attending the classes. Okay. You are not attending the classes. You are just filling the attendance link. They just informed me that 75% attendance as well as mock interviews. Okay. Mock interviews means interviews conducted by the interviews by Avento team. You should attend mock interviews and you should pass on mock interviews, guys. Without clearing mock interviews, there is no use of just getting attendance. Okay. It is today's link only, guys. I just forgot it to update date only. That's it. Forgot it to update date. That's it. It's today's link only. And today's attendance link is cancelled because you got 230 people max. But in attendance, I got 350 people. Just now, CEO informed that 75% attendance, Avento interviews. Avento interview means mock interviews. Okay, you should clear mock interviews as well as you should be a 75% attendance. Without attendance, without Avento mock interview clear, you won't get certificate, you won't get any placement offers also. You guys can see your placements is already started. Okay, today only you may observe that in our group one company requirement is posted. If you want to get that placement also, you should maintain attendance with 75% and you should clear the mock interviews. Okay, we will inform you when will be the mock interview, date, timings, everything we will inform. What will be the process? They will inform you. Interview will be after these programs, basic programs. Okay, like prime number program, prime already completed, perfect completed, strong number, Armstrong. These are the basic programs. Okay. After this, we will write same programs with range. We will write this program for range. After this, we try some pattern programs, some patterns like pyramid pattern or like triangular pattern like this. I need to print or like this. I need to print. Okay. I need to print like this and inner part should be empty. This should be empty like this. I need to print like this. Some pattern examples also will be solved. 5 to 6 patterns we will solve. Okay, based on the time, based on your understanding level, we will solve pattern programs also. Okay guys, clear? Now let's move to one more small program, factorial. What is mean by factorial, guys? I said don't spam in chat box, I will block you guys. I'm asking what is mean by factorial. Factorial of a number, not factors. I'm asking factorial. Product of the numbers up to that number. Am I correct? If I say 6 means 6 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into. Am I correct? Am I correct, guys? If 3 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3. Am I correct? This is called factorial. 3 factorial is 6. 6, 6 for the 24, 120, 126. What is factorial of 3, guys? Is it 6 or not? How to write factorial program? Tell me how to write factorial program. Suppose my number is 5. I need 5 factorial. I need to iterate from 1 to 5, right? Int fact. It is my variable. I'm making it 1. Okay. Because if I make it 0 means 0 into anything is 0, right? Anything will become 0. So I am making it 1. I am starting it with 1. I equal to 1. I less than or equal to 5. I plus plus. In case of 5, we write n. Just fact equal to fact into I, guys. This is the logic. Print fact. That's it. This is the program. Is there is nothing big logic in this. Will you guys try? Will you guys try, or I need to write this program? Will you guys, I am asking, will you guys try, or I need to write this program? Not as. Will you write? Yeah. Will you write factorial program for tomorrow, for Monday, guys? Tomorrow there is no session because tomorrow is Saturday. Saturday is weekend. So I am giving some assignments for you. Try prime numbers in range, guys. Prime numbers in range. Prime in range. 1 to 100. Okay. I need to print all the possible numbers of possible prime numbers in a range of 1 to 100. Okay. Try, guys. Try this program on perfect number also. Perfect in range. Okay. Range of 1 to 100. Take this from user input. Otherwise, take the end range from user input. Take end range from user and try for perfect number and prime numbers in range. And one small, just learn about strong number. What is strong number? Just learn about this. Okay. In Monday's class, I am going to teach strong number. Okay. Try to get what is a strong number. A brief idea about what is a strong number and what is Armstrong. Okay. You guys may hear, may or may not be. Strong and Armstrong. Just understood what is strong and what is Armstrong and try these two programs. I'm not saying it is not it is mandatory. Try first. Just try in range, okay? Prime in range 1 to 100, perfect from 1 to 100, Armstrong logic. Which number we say Armstrong? Which number we say strong? Just know this. Don't try program. I will teach you how to write. Just try to understand that what is Armstrong, what is strong number. I'm providing you the brief information for you guys. Actually, you are taking n equal to from scanner class, right? S dot next int. For range programs, don't take scanner input before the n value itself. Write a for loop for int j equal to 1, j less than equal to 100, j plus plus, open flower bracket. Here, assign j equal n equal to j. That's it. Make n equal to j. Remaining program same. After end of the if condition, if for prime number fact double equal to 2, print that number. Okay. Wait. I will write one more time. Observe clear, guys. I'm telling how to write prime numbers in range. Okay. Write a for loop int j equal to 1, j less than equal to 100, j plus plus, int n equal to j, int fact equal to 0. After that, you are writing one for loop, some program you have written. Here my for loop is executed. This line for loop is executed. After that, you are checking that condition. If factors equal to 2, print that number, guys. Print n value. Okay. Print n because n is a prime number. That's it. Don't write else part. Don't write else part. Skip this. That's it. After this, if condition, close this for loop. Here I am opening for loop. J loop. Here I am opening. Close here. Okay. For loop is written here. One more for loop. Here I am opening. Here I am closing. Here I am checking prime number logic. That's it. Will you guys try? Will you guys try this program? Try this, guys. I'm going to take your attendance one more time because now you guys are 205 members. So I'm going to take your attendance. In front of you only I'm making your attendance. See, okay. I'm deleting all responses. Now again I am accepting response, guys. Now your attendance link is on. You are on. How many people are in live? 200 people are in live, guys. 210 people are in live. I should get only 210 people. And our channel Instagram, our Avento Instagram ID, LinkedIn I'll provided in your description. Please check description once, okay? If you are interested, if you want to get any updates, you can follow our Instagram, okay? You can follow our Instagram account, guys. In the description of this, you can find our Instagram link. If you click it means there you can find us, guys. Okay? It is not showing because it is asking my login. This is our Instagram page with 1800 followers and 522 posts. Okay? You can follow this. This is our Instagram account. Avento. Okay? Here you can find what is the requirements currently, what is the daily updates, latest news. You can find all the things, guys. Now I'm going to check how many attendance. I got only 158 responses. Till some are balanced. Just go and update it, guys. Total count is 210. Okay. Your link is in pin, guys. In chat box, the link is pinned. Okay. I'm going to close the attendance links, guys. Today's session also completed. Bye bye. See you on Monday. I don't know about your soft skills class. I'm just a Java trainer. They will update you. Okay. I'm stopping attendance, guys. See, there is only 220 people, but I'm getting 230 responses. I'm stopping the response. Bye bye. Good night. Meet you on Monday.